Well, here we are. It's a lovely, lovely day. Spring feels like it's here. Oh, nearly dropped that. Alternator in hand. I'm going to fit that today. My good friend Martin, who's here, my electrician friend. I'll just show you. So here's my friend from, used to work at Rolls-Royce. You might be able to tell from the back of the overalls. Electrician there. So hopefully we'll get the alternator sorted today. Well, we've done the alternator. We've fitted it, new fan belt, haven't we?
I have.
Yes, Martin got down in the depths. So we're going to go out in the cut, see if it makes that funny noise, and hopefully weld the chimney up. You can hear this funny noise on vlog 14 when we're returning back towards the marina. But I took a video of it a bit closer up on the engine so you can hear it better. See if you can hear it here. I'm pretty sure now that it's the fan belt pulley bearings that are making that noise. So I took that off, put new bearings in. It runs a lot freer. I fitted that at the same time as the alternator, so hopefully that's fixed. We'll see. So it's a lovely day for it, so let's go for it, eh?
Indeed.
You sound so excited.
I'm over the moon, overwhelmed.
Well, I thought so. That's why it's quiet sounding. Come on, man. So we're giving it a test. It's charging at the moment. No horrible noises. Beautiful day, isn't it?
Could do with a beer.
There's a beer in the fridge. What more could you want?
We want to fetch it.
What we're looking for is a place to moor up, because I want to see if I can weld that chimney. Obviously you can't do it in a marina. I've mentioned before the banks of the Stort are quite high in places, not good places to moor unless you've got a 20-foot plank. But I'll show you in just a minute, but yeah, we'll just find somewhere just up here, it's not too far. So here's the banks. I suppose we could moor up there, depends how close you can get. Often it's quite angled when you get there. But I say we're just mooring up so we can do some welding. But we might as well do a bit of a test. Still charging okay, no funny noises. I'll have to go and get the beers in a minute, admittedly. But yes, very nice afternoon. Here's Martin cleaning up that, ready. Aeroplanes as ever. Top rate, does that mean? Have to pay more?
Definitely.
That should work. And I've got I brought my magnetic attachment thing to hold it on. Excellent. So there it is in position. I've tacked one side, but the other side came off, didn't it? Didn't do too well. Yeah. But I'm just tacking it on. Then I want to check the chimney fits okay, make sure everything's okay. So I'll just try to go. Now I've got to wait for people though walking past, so I don't want to blind them. You know, not a good idea, is it really?
No, no.
So I think we're clear, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, let's go again.
Yes, I think we're all clear for this.
Well, that seems to be on pretty well. Although you can't see much weld around the outside, I welded it on the inside, so there's less mess on this side. I need to file it up a bit, I think, don't you?
Quite possibly.
But that is solid. And the moment of truth for Linda to make her very happy. What do you reckon?
Excellent.
She's chuffed at that. She'll be chuffed at that. Don't quite go flush there, because I think the bit of weld I tacked it on the outside is just touching on there. So I'll just file it down on the outside, and finally we have a proper chimney. Well chuffed. And the engine is still charging. Diesel everywhere. Ignore that one. Okay, I think we can put this gear away and call that a success.
By the way, I strongly recommend Aldi inverter welders. Unbelievable bits of kit. Very cheap, very reliable, 3-year warranty, can't go wrong.
What was it, 100 quid?
69.
69 quid. It is a brilliant welder. Aldi welders. the absolute
Tops.
top. So to celebrate our success with the chimney, Martin, cheers. Back to base.
This is not product placement.
Yes, good idea. Yes, tribute. I love your beer.
Yes.
Send me lots.
Timothy Taylor, I can strongly recommend your bottled landlord.
Yeah. You'll see the low bridge coming up where I had to remember to take the chimney off.
Oh, yeah.
You may remember one of my earlier vlogs as I'm hurtling down the Sturt towards the bridge. It was a bit late to stop. Now I'm very pleased with that solution. I think it's a good solution. It's easy enough, wasn't it? I was looking at all kinds of things.
Yeah.
One guy who makes chimneys for narrowboats offered to come and make me a complete custom one for there. And I've seen his work, he makes some good stuff. But I just wanted, Linda wanted her chimney. It isn't right, Linda, is it that?
No, not at all. Completely untypical.
What, yes, to want her chimney rather than the easy solution.
Yeah.
Although to be fair, because she was in systems, that was the easy solution.
And the cheapest.
It certainly was. It cost me nothing for a bit of metal from work, a bit of tubing. Right, we're about to hit a low bridge. I'll show you. Back into the marina. And that is pretty low. Ooh. And here we are heading back to our berth. When I videoed it earlier, I forgot to put the main piece on that Linda loved.
The crest.
Exactly, the little bird. And so now we have our sort of wind directing and everything. So that is a well good job. Linda will be well chuffed with that.
Yes.
I think so.
Yes.
Hopefully I can tell her now, right, I've done my bit, get painting, Linda.
A replica of Rod Hull's emu.
I've seen you.
Well, alright, it's a duck. Rod Hull's duck.
Yes, thank you very much, Martin. Well, that's us done for today. And what a good day it's been. Obviously you've seen my chimney, Linda's going to be so chuffed. That's all welded on. I really am pleased with that, so that's that job done. But also, obviously we put the alternator back with the new pulley, the bearings in that pulley I did. And the pulley felt much freer when it was on, you know, when I was doing it in my garage. Felt much freer on the actual engine. And when we went for a drive up the cut, a little cruise up the cut, so we could do the welding, we didn't get any engine noise whatsoever. Well, engine noise. We didn't get that strange noise at all, that horrible sort of noise that was coming. So I'm pretty sure that that's what it was. It was that pulley that the cam belt went around. I put a new cam belt on at the same time. Not cam belt, you know, fan belt. I'll get there in the end. So it's charging, the charging light's on, everything's ready really now on this boat, apart from the diesel problem with the diesel tank. We've got tank busters coming this week. They're going to empty all the fuel and well, empty it, cycle it and filter it and get the water out and the muck out. It takes several hours. It's going to be expensive, but it's going to be worth it. So they're going to clean out all our diesel fuel for us. We've still got the auxiliary tank on, that needs taking off. And there's a bit of a diesel leak down there, which looks a right mess. But hopefully we'll get that fixed when they take the auxiliary tank off. They said they would. So we should this week get the tank off, our diesel fuel sorted, the boat will be running beautifully then. The electrics seem to be working. I'm not sure why the intermittent fault's still there, but I don't know, maybe taking the panel off, which we did today, taking the alternator off, maybe fix it all. Who can tell? But I'm much more positive. So good stuff, eh? Well, we'll see next week. We're going to try and go for another cruise down the Sturt. Hopefully we'll get as far as Stabbers, which is our aim so far. I mean, it's only about 10 miles away, but hey, you do it in stages. So off down Stabbers, down the Sturt, onto the Lee, up the Lee, and that's what we'll hopefully do next week. Fingers crossed. Anyway, see you next week. Don't forget, by the way, do press like and subscribe. Bye then.